one of the things I have the pleasure of doing on a regular basis is responding through formal proposals, requests for proposals, a range of questions around Microsoft Fabric. And in this video, I'll take you through one of those now. Another common question we get in tenders and requests for proposals is around the maintenance of software. Now, in the case of Microsoft Fabric, the good news here is provided to you as a software as a service model, which means all the cloud services that run Microsoft Fabric are managed by the vendor, in this case, Microsoft. So you don't need to think or worry too much around keeping up to date, particularly for security purposes and new features being released. Generally, SaaS providers, including Microsoft, will provide advice to customers around upcoming changes, but usually because of the nature of cloud, any downtime will be minimized. There may be other requirements to update pieces of software that may be part of the system. So, for example, for Fabric, you might have a Power BI desktop, the authoring tool that may automatically update, or you may need to manage that as part of your enterprise application management environment. And there may be data gateway connectors that you then need to use to be able to connect data from on-premise systems into Fabric as well. And those also need a bit of maintenance. But the core solution around Fabric is taken care of for you by Microsoft. I hope that was helpful to give you a taste of some of the questions certainly I receive. If you have a question that I haven't answered already, please leave me a comment below.